Hey loves, Eid Mubarak. So today is Eid day and I thought I would share with you how I get ready on an Eid day morning. And if you are following me on Instagram, by now you have seen the Eid preps. I mean the food, of course. And yeah, that's how it is. And this is the finished makeup, you guys. This is a very simple, quick makeup. Let's rewind to the earlier part of the day where I start getting ready. Alright? Hi guys, good morning. Eid Mubarak. And I have literally taken shower past midnight last night, which is technically today. And then I've done my hair. Do you guys like my henna? So what is Eid without henna? Let me start getting ready. So for primer, I'm using my favorite Tatcha Luminous Silk Primer. This stuff is incredible. It just makes your skin look like porcelain, literally. As my foundation, I am going to be using this Cushion Foundation by Laneige. This gives a beautiful, soft, luminous glow to my skin without going overboard, you know. And I'm using this with this tiny Real Techniques, what is this brush called? Face brush. See what a light layer of coverage it adds, but it just evens out everything. So for concealer lately, I have been loving this Hourglass Vanish concealer. This concealer just looks so flawless on the skin and it blends so seamlessly. Just like the foundation, I love this concealer. On top, I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of the Tarte Shapetape concealer just here, just so that it brightens the under eyes even more. And I blend it and drag it up towards my temple. That way, this area also is highlighted and your cheekbones and your eyes also look lifted. So for my cream contour today, I'm going to be using this Charlotte Tilbury wand. And this gets a little messy if I try to apply it directly. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take it at the back of my hand and then I'm going to apply it with the brush onto my face. Now for my cream highlight, I was going to say cream contour, I'm going to be using this Hourglass stick, the Vanish stick, I think, in the shade Gold Flash. This stuff just looks like unreal on your cheeks. Oh. So my eyes are going to be really simple. I'm just gonna prime them with the matte paint pot a little bit. I'm just going to be using this Natasha Denona Gold palette and I'm using this shade, Rustic one, on my crease. And just to enhance a little bit more, maybe I'll be using this dark brown shade and this shade a little bit. Then I'm gonna take a very tiny brush like this just to blend in the edges. That's it. The lighting is terrible today. And on top, I will be putting this Natasha Denona Crystal Top Coat in the shade Bronze. It makes your eyelids look like wet. So I've quickly popped on some false lashes. Today I am wearing the Huda Beauty Noalle lashes in the number 14. So thank God today I didn't take that long to pop it on. Now I quickly have to finish my lower lash line, and for that I'm taking the same eyeshadows which I've popped in my crease, but just smoking out the lower lash line. See how false lashes just change the whole look? And especially when I do not intend of doing any kind of elaborate eye makeup, I just pop on some lashes. That's it. And I'm gonna pop on some nude color eye pencil in my waterline. Before I forget, I should pop on some mascara. For my lips, I will be lining them, of course, with this Pattern Graph lip liner. And these are one of the creamiest lip liners I have ever used till date. On top, I'm going to be using this YSL lipstick. On top, I'm gonna use this MAC lipstick just to neutralize it a little bit more. I think I want to add a little bit of liner. I have to bring in my mirror close, you guys. Just at the roots. Is the dress that I will be wearing. I love this dress here. Just look at the work in here. It's so pretty. So pretty. So this is the full outfit. Do you guys like it? This is the finished makeup and hair. I really hope you all have an amazing Eid. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful.